Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to scan your files, documents, photos through your Android mobile phone. So how to do this? Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open your Android mobile phone, and after that go to your Google Play Store, and in the search box type a cam scanner. Okay, now you can see that cam scanner. So I have already installed, and simply click on a OK button. Now after opening that, now you can see that interface. So for scanning, simply click on these photo clicking option. So simply click on it. Okay guys, after that select a image or a photo or documents which is want to scan. So simply click on a capture a image. Okay guys, after scanning is that select a specific location which is a specific area which is want to capture is that. Okay, now okay, just select it. Okay guys, I selected a specific area which is want to select it scan. Okay guys, after that simply click on a OK button. Okay guys, now you can see that result. Okay, now it's a different type of modes is available, and select a according to your need or documents. This is the original, and is if you want to increase some light, now simply click on is a lighten mode is activated. Now this is a best mode is a magic color, so simply click on it. Now you can see data is a good result about that. So after that simply click on a OK button. If you want to convert this image in OCR, then OCR option is also available, but I am not required a OCR. So simply click on a OK button. Okay, right. After that, after scanning that, if you want to convert a PDF, now you can see that a PDF icon. So simply click on it, PDF. Okay guys, now you can see that is a result is before result is that after scanning that. So this is a way to scan your images, files and documents through your Android mobile phone. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.